Two Wolf Foundation is a small nonprofit based out of Montana that serves military veterans and former first responders by building teams that go out and conduct public land stewardship work together. There was this entire community of people that I knew were task-oriented, disciplined, and given a mission would show up and get work done. And so Two Wolf Foundation decided to focus its efforts on public land stewardship and conservation work by mobilizing these small teams to get to serve a new mission. When we first started out putting these teams together and going out and conducting this work and spending a lot of time on the road, we really struggled to keep everything powered up during the conduct of these trips. We were coming back in at the end of these trips limping in on power. We knew that we needed to begin to identify solutions that would maximize our capability. An introduction was made to battle-borne batteries, and a conversation started about meeting the power needs for the Two Wolf Foundation mission. An appropriate system was identified of a 400 amp hour power system with a 3,000 watt inverter, DC to DC charger, and a solar charge controller that would give us everything that we needed to keep these teams on the move and accomplishing the mission.